The national parks do good, but
They do.
I don't like it.
You know what?
Like it.
No, I mean, they just seem to stifle the people that live there, and you've got to have the people live there. If you want to have any fabric, no.
No.
It's getting the balance right, isn't it?
It's like when some of the farmers, you know, they'll have an old barn that's falling apart. Now, not to get rid of all the barns, but they actually keep the look of the barn when they turn them into houses.
Yes.
They won't let them.
No,
and then they
no, I
wonder
think that's
why
absolutely
the
crazy.
young people are not in the area because they can't afford really the property price.
Property is very expensive.
Yeah.
We're always surprised how expensive stuff is up here. Because considering when you look in the local paper, which we always buy, and it's sort of minimum wage, most stuff, or it's local authority employment, which, you know, okay, if you're a teacher or something, then it's not quite so bad, but you still probably need 2 people working to start you off to get a reasonable sized place. Yeah.
There you are.
Because even like right round in Rith, you've got tons of all these new houses that have been built. And I can understand some of the older properties with a bit of land, you know, being really expensive. But even a box standard 3-bedroom detached, the sort of thing, well, you know, that's beyond the reach of most.
Yeah.
So who's buying them all? Who's living there? Yeah.
Yeah. Although Kirby Stephen is a quarter of the price of property here. My nephew looked at, you know, like the ones on Burset Road.
Yes.
It's got 4 bedrooms, an attic,
Yeah.
an old Victorian house. It's still got all the stained glass panelling and everything, and that's 119,000 in Kirby Stephen. There's no parking with it. But
Yeah, so they're
there's
only trouble on that
indoors.
main road. Yeah.
Yeah, where here you wouldn't get it under 400,000. Because when it brought the details, I said, I can't believe.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Cheap property there actually is to here.
I mean, at least Kirby's not too far.
That is a better commuting area. That's why he's moving there. It's near the A66.
Yeah, I was going to say, you're only about 3 miles.
Yeah,
up the
and
road
his
from
wife
there.
to be works somewhere near Sunderland.
Oh, right, yeah, so she'll just go straight across.
Yeah. Where here was sort of 3/4 of an hour from the M6 to the A1.
Yes. Yeah, and then you can imagine some of the winters days and how long it would take. Dark nights, no, not good.
Yeah.
It's a lovely cup of tea, thank you.
Very well.
So they've closed that old gents blue down over there.
No, it's a shame actually.
Yeah, but I don't know what you to use it really. Yeah, it's handy for the chaps.
Yeah, I don't, you know, it is a shame.
We noticed, we walked down, well, we parked up in the cheese place with a bit load of cheese, and then we walked down to the railway station down. We said, the loo's there, this is dark, close at 4:30.
Yeah.
Peak summer season.
I know. Where is it? The 24 hours, you see.
Yeah, or at least till like 8 o'clock
Yeah.
in the summer months when
Yeah.
you know there's going to be visitors about.
It's like the ones up the town, I don't know, they close at 8 o'clock, I think.
Oh, right, near the chip shop. Yeah, I know there's another set there. Yeah. We generally use the creamery ones.
Yeah, yeah.
As long as the coaches have just arrived, is there any trouble up there?
Yeah.
But at least that's kept the village going.
Yeah, it has its pluses
And its minuses, yeah.
It employs an awful lot of people. The town wouldn't survive without it.
Yes.
It does take a lot of visitors in the coaches up there and they don't actually see anything else of pause because they're too old to
I
come
was just going to
down.
say, I reckon a lot of them are, aren't they?
Yeah, but some of the coaches will actually